Hey, what's up? Good morning. Good morning again. I am Fabrício. Our group decided to address the subject of the moment, politics. We will make comparisons of the candidates based on our opinions and experience of lives. Well, I believe Bolsonaro is better prepared than Alckmin because his proposals can clean the country of the communism.
In my opinion, President Lula is more prepared than Haddad because he was president.
Good morning, my name is Renato. I am going to for Geraldo Alckmin because I think he's better prepared to rule Brazil at the moment.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm here in the square. I'm going to talk in a little politics. Well, the candidate that I prefer is a Bolsonaro. Why do I prefer Bolsonaro and not Ciro Gomes? Let's go. For the simple fact that he's a little friend of PT, being male chauvinist, misogynist, he is a candidate for people PT chummy-faced.